Welcome back to repairing. Today I will repair my PC. Why to lost my money? Oh, sorry for this. I got some interrogation by my teacher. And she says don't make troubles until Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. But I will have a bootable USB hash drive, and now it's booting. It's booted, and I say to repair my computer, and I click to delete the Satana virus. Administration del Y. The user cannot find the specified, and let's click again. Try again. System restore, system image recovery. Go provide to that repair. Diagnosing my PC is killing the virus, the ransomware Satana, without to lost my encrypted data. I'm sorry for encrypting my data. As usual, I will try to encrypt soon, but attempting repair. We will try to repair the boot. This bootable startup to repair my PC. Now is bootable because I will force the ransomware to gone, and a few seconds after cleaning up the ransomware. So now the ransomware will be gone in a few hours or minutes. Now, and you will believe it. I am now finally logging up. So you won't believe how an infection destroying the ransomware Satana. It's time to destroying this virus. Finally is booting. Now go to here and regedit. What is a virus? HJK. What? You had Belloc. They're encrypting all your files in a 3D booting virus. To decrypt your files, you need to send this email to private code a Bitcoin wallet and to decrypt. Recovery D. Recovery. No. Windows or Avodefiction 2. Now my PC is damaged by this virus, but I can't. It's necessary to run it content. Try to reinstall the program again. I don't have network. Come on, ransomware! How do you dare to steal my data? Now it's up data. Or after the J users. What? The virus Satana gave me that. You will die, virus. You will die. Come on. Public. You wave. But you cannot encrypt all your files. You are such a virus hacker. See the anti-disk. Sharing. Security. Previous. Restore. Off. I cannot restore. Sharing. Hidden.